Yeah, hi. So in this video, we are going to see about how to upload images from gallery and take images in SwiftUI. So let's start with an video. So you can see it here. So I have an image picker. I just created an image picker element. So we are going to implement those things in our profile sections only. Okay. So let's see with image picker. So we have to create one representation for the image picker, custom image picker. So let's start creating image picker UI view controller representation. Okay, representation. Okay, so this one, then we need to create one bindable. So it's foundation. We need to create import SwiftUI import UIKit. Okay, this is UI. We are going to use it with UIKit. Okay, so let's use UIKit and we are binding where image. Okay, then source type image picker delegate, not delegate, controller dot source type is equal to dot photo library. So it's we are setting it as a default. Okay, so it has a two options. It has some other options too, camera, like that. Okay, so we are going with photo library. Okay, we are going to create one custom class coordinator in this object. So it will have some delegates UI NAVIGAT navigation controller delegate, then UI image picker controller delegate. Okay, so these two delegates will have two functions. Okay, image picker cancelled it, this one, another one is image picker controller. Okay, so these two things. Before that, we have one parent, it's image picker. Okay, so it will be init. Okay, yeah, this one. So we are going to use that one over here. What is that? If let UI image is equal to info. So info array is like dot original image as UI image. Where is the UI image? UI image. Okay, so if the UI image is available, parent dot image is equal to UI image. Okay, so we are going to show this one. Then parent dot, what is that? PRESENT presentation mode dot wrap value dot dismiss. Okay, yeah, this is the one. What happened? No, something is different. Okay, let's go with it, then let's see. Okay, so same thing, we need to do it over here. Okay, so this is here also the way of what is that, parent dot this one. So then we have some other items also inside the class. Okay, so inside the class, it's like not inside the class, it's like outside the class. We have environment like slash dot presentation mode. Okay, right, where presentation mode. Okay, actually it should come out. Okay, like this. Now we have fun make coordinator. Okay, so this make coordinator will have coordinator, then parent is self. Okay, self. Now we have function make UI value control, make UI view controller. Okay, so in this let quick picker is equal to UI image picker controller. Okay, so image picker controller picker dot source. So we are adding the source. Okay, so in here we are going to get the add the source type. Okay, source type. Okay, so then another one picker dot delegate. So delegate will be this context dot coordinate. So actually coordinate is a delegate return picker. Okay, so this is the picker. Then we have another one function update view controller. Okay, so this is a function. In this function we are going to add anything, nothing. Okay, it's empty delegate function. Okay, now we'll go and see it here what is happening. Okay, what is this? Okay, yeah, question mark. I think now it is good. Image picker has no mobile presentation mode. Okay, why image picker? Where parent is not an image picker, right? Parent is like parent is not an image picker. Once again, let me check. Parent presentation mode dot wrap value dismiss. Yeah, okay, but it should be E. Why there is no E? I don't understand. Okay, I gave mistake. Okay, here E, my mistake. Oh yeah, this variable will come over there. Okay, so the parent is like that parent, right? Image picker, this is this parent, so we variable name is different. Okay, so yeah, so this is what we created image picker. So as per now we created image picker for, but we need to use this one, means we have to add the permissions in the info thing. Wait, where is it? Yeah, here we need to add. So I have a permission, I'll just copy it, and how you can add it, like I am telling, not here. Okay, yeah, here it is like ns photo library usage description. So the description should be like we need to access a photo. Okay, that one. So one more we need to add, is us camera usage description. Ns means, okay, ns camera usage description. Then we are going to add that one over here. Okay, so this is how we added these two things. So once we added this, we'll go to the profile section. We have a form over here. I'll just run it. So in this form, this is our section forms. In this form we are going to add one section. Okay, so in that section we'll just add the other things also. Okay, so this is the section I'm going to add. So here I'll just create one vstack inside this. So before that I'll just create, so these two things are coming like this. Okay, so okay, yeah, we'll just create that two state items. Okay, state variables. Okay, private var show image picker is equal to false. Then another one state variable private var image. Okay, then another one state variable private var source type. Okay, image picker controller dot source type. So our initial source type is photo library. Okay, so this is our photo library. So then in this section we are going to add our things. Okay, so the things is vstack. So we are adding vstack. I'm adding let image is equal to image, our image, we created the image. That image, if the image is there, image UI image. Okay, UI image. Okay, so resizable, scale to fit, frame. Okay, frame will be 8, width 100, height 100 I am giving. Okay, so else I'm just adding text. Okay, select an image. Okay, so that's fine. So now we are going to add a hashtag. So inside this hashtag I am going to add two buttons. Okay, choose from library. Okay, choose from library, once action, source type. Okay, source type is equal to dot photo library. Okay, so after that show image picker dot toggle. Okay, so we are setting that source library is this one, and we are toggling that one, and I'll just add some paddings. Okay, so the same button, I'm just adding another one. Okay, so here we are going to change this one, this text to take photo, and here camera. Okay, I said right, if we put as a camera it will show like that. Okay, so you can see it over here. I think if we click here it needs to work. So over here, so we have a section, and inside the section we have these things which have a stack. So let's try adding this one outside the form. Okay, so outside the form let's add this one v stack. Okay, yeah, now if we clicking this, yeah, you can see the image is adding. So if I click the image is loading. Okay, if I take a camera, you can go to the camera options. So this is how you can use the camera and gallery in this one. So it is like a sheet, it will open, so you can just select it and you can go back inside. Like camera also, sheet it will open. So it's a simple way to open as a sheet in SwiftUI. Okay, yeah, thank you.